welcome back to our second episode with Chef Jeana Johnson.
Hey.
We're ready to rock it?
Let's go.
What are we making?
Okay, so this is like, you're in a hurry. You gotta get dinner on the table. You
Always.
need something that's like wicked flavorful, but like as easy as possible, but also still feels really elegant.
And then we're using this.
Black
secret
soy,
ingredients.
that's
Black
right.
soy.
So, look,
rice.
this can be
Jasmine rice only, yes?
jasmine only ever. All right, so we're gonna let this rock and roll.
Okay.
Bring it to a hard boil. As soon as it goes on a hard boil, bring it all the way down, as low as your stove will go. Cover it,
Yes.
just leave it alone.
You
I'm gonna
got
put
it.
a little bit of salt in this,
Fine.
okay? And maybe, just maybe, like one little drop of oil.
What does the oil do?
It keeps the rice separated.
Okay.
Okay, now you wouldn't let me turn this on earlier.
Here
So
she goes. Okay, now you're okay, because we knew we needed to have make the rice. You know?
Okay, I
Okay,
got it,
okay.
I got it.
It is going to be blazing hot. Why?
It's gotta be like smoky, blazy hot to get a really good sear on the eggplant that you still haven't cut. What are you,
I'm trying to cue you up.
what are you waiting on here?
Ah,
I
you
can't-
take one.
I can't work under these conditions. No, so that eggplant, we could do the whole salted thing to kind of bring out some of the slime, or we work with a really, really hot pan, sear it hard,
Love. Yes.
as fast as we can, and then it'll do the same thing.
Okay, I'm
Easy,
watching.
Easy way to check your pan heat. You want to just put like kind of this tender skin down inside.
Yes.
When it's about as hot as you can handle it on the back of your hand, you're ready to go.
Are we ready?
Yeah. Can I get in there?
Yes.
All right. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Saute.
So we want the sound.
Means to jump, right? So
Yes.
you want it to jump when it hits the pan. And then eggplant is just like a mushroom in the fact that it's very spongy. So it's gonna suck up oil. I'm gonna leave these for later. Is that good?
Sounds good.
You did so good.
You do it one and I do it time.
That's right. That's
Okay.
right. We're gonna let that cook hard on one side, right? Get a nice sear. Don't mess with it. Just leave it alone and let it cook. I know, it takes a lot of patience. As soon as you hear it stop sizzling, you can add a little bit more oil.
I like this.
Welcome to it. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you,
Now
Chef.
watch. You ready?
Yes.
One toss.
You got it.
This is not like a contiguous tossing motion. You're not
doing one
You're not
flip.
washing clothes.
You're like at the omelet flip.
That's it. So flip over. See that?
Ooh, I do see it.
That's where it gets good and
he wants to see it.
crunchy. Okay?
Love it.
While that's cooking, I'm gonna take and just rough chop some of our Thai basil. Traditional chiffonade, right?
Yes.
I would stack everything up and then I would roll it into a little cigar and I would go this way.
Yes,
But for
yes.
this purpose,
No.
I'm just gonna roll it on my cutting board like this
You got it.
and then just hold it all together in a little bunch and just run my
I
knife
just love that char smell.
into
You enjoy that.
these pretty strips.
I love this episode. I literally am just gonna stand here and watch the whole time.
Yeah, do it.
You love it that way.
You're doing good.
I'm doing good.
I mean,
No touch.
okay, so we're gonna put that to the side. That's perfect.
Yes.
Just like that. Taste one.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yeah, it's like, you know, perfectly cooked, not overcooked, but you still got the char.
That's what's up. Okay? We're gonna take just a little of that pork.
Oh, very Japanesey.
Yeah.
Mmm.
We're going here. And this same kind of deal. Like
Yes.
you're just cooking it all unilaterally on one side.
Got a good sear.
Right? And then
Garlic.
you chop your own garlic?
No, not really.
Nobody chops their own garlic.
I was gonna say, and also not to like have to use any more gloves.
Yeah, that's it. You hate those gloves.
I mean, I feel like I'm doing surgery.
So I love a lot
Yes, me too.
of alliums. So
Allium.
yeah, and now we're getting that same crunchy little bit sear.
Yeah, we
and
got
we're
some
not
burnt.
over.
Like I want to just pick it up and
Yeah,
eat it.
you want to eat that
Can I?
piece? Yeah, you want that. Yum. Okay,
This is so much flavor already.
and it doesn't overcook.
Yep.
Right. The worst thing is that like dry, papery.
Yes.
Just
No flavor.
That's it.
Yep. You want to keep the flavor in the pork.
And
that's
then
what the hot sear does for you.
You also have to predict what's about to happen, because I'm about to put a little bit of this fish sauce situation.
yeah.
Which as soon as that hits the pan, it's gonna steam,
Yes.
right? So I've got to watch that.
Do you need any more chilies? I forgot to ask.
Let's do
Little?
one,
One. How do you like it cut?
just on that little bite.
Like, okay.
Let's move this so your knife doesn't get all crazy. Throw that away.
And your fingers.
That's right. Okay.
And now?
Yeah, let's put it in now.
My one contribution so far.
You did so good. Well, you cut that eggplant just
Oh yeah, sorry.
gorgeously.
Fine, yes, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
so we're gonna have a little steam when this hits. And then
It's like home.
give you one more little boop.
Love.
And this is intuitive cooking, right?
Yes, it is.
So it's whatever you like more of. You like more garlic, put more garlic. Okay, look. You ready for this?
I am.
I mean, my rice hasn't even boiled yet.
I know. I kind of knew that was gonna happen, but that's all good.
This is
'Cause
over.
I just want to eat this.
This is over.
Less rice, more meat.
Totally.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I mean, that's done. And I mean, you can put it over rice if you want to,
No, with
or
the chili.
noodles, or a salad, or wrap it in a rice roll.
Salivating. Yes,
Right?
you keep talking, I'll eat.
Okay. It's so good.
Sweetness of the basil
That's it.
with the chili I got.
And that-
my sauce.
That soy is fire.
Do we need any drama or are we good?
I mean,
I would want drama.
I can always use a little drama, right?
I'm like basil on basil, crispy basil, some extra garlic. Like
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Little basil on basil action never ever hurt.
Yes.
And this
Thank
stuff,
you.
crunchy garlic, chili, Thai basil, like this piece right here, that's not
the
going
one
in
I
there.
want.
Not, it's mine. It's mine. While
Yeah?
this rice finishes up, I'm gonna
Okay.
whip together like something really special.
Let's do it.
And I'm gonna take this with
Oh,
me to
okay.
the bar.
Yes.
Like, have you ever had a cocktail with
Not yet.
Black soy in it?
This is such a special episode.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm taking the pan. Okay, what are you inspired to do?
Okay, so as soon as that black soy hit the pan, I knew that we had to do a Japanese whiskey cocktail. So we've got a little bit of Japanese Harmony. It's Hibiki, right? We're gonna go one of these. Ooh. I got this black soy from over there. Like, it's just enough to where you've got a little salt in the cocktail. You've got
like
some unctuousness.
Yeah.
It really rounds everything out. The sweetness kind of mimics the amount of sweetness that you would typically put in old fashioned anyway. So we're gonna put a little simple syrup. I have umami bitters that are made with
What?
oyster mushrooms.
Oh
So
my
1,
goodness.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of that. So you get like that woody.
Yes.
Yeah. And then a couple dashes of orange. So you're gonna stir it enough
Sweet sauté.
where the ice starts to react with the heat and the whiskey. That water will melt just enough to bloom
Yep.
the spirit.
I love it.
So
That.
you have this, but wait. There's more.
What?
There's more. This is called the Black Moon Old Fashioned.
What?
And so we've got the black from the black soy. Now we've got
Yep,
to do
yep,
the
yep.
moon. Okay?
Yeah.
So
My favorite toy. Oh my God, can I?
please be my guest. And that's smoke.
Oh my goodness.
So you're getting smoke and bourbon and black soy, and it's just something.
May I?
Please.
Wow. I like taste
All of
the
it.
dish, the umami.
Yeah.
It's like such a it's not like in your face whiskey. Oh, I just have to go back.
Yeah, you could have 2 or 10 of those and then make some bad decisions.
That is amazing. Okay, now I gotta go get the dish. I'll be right back.
Perfect. All right. So
Look how pretty
we've got our
that
sauteed
is.
pork, eggplant, fish
You haven't
sauce,
tried
lime
that
juice.
yet.
Oh, come on. You know I'm
on.
drinking the rest of this.
Oh. Fair enough, fair enough. I do have the Asian flush.
It's great. It's really great. And I bet it's gonna be perfect with that caramelized eggplant.
Well, we're gonna share this recipe for sure on our channel.
Yeah.
Super excited. Thank you so much for having me. I just had so much fun.
Thank you. This was a blast.
I'm so
It
glad.
was great hanging out. It was great
I just
making
want to
some
keep going.
food
So we're gonna go
together.
eat. Yes. Thank you
Let's
so
go.
much for watching. Until next time, don't forget, subscribe, like, follow.
Thanks.
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
The Thai takeover was great today. I had such a blast. It was a lot of fun. I don't think Nikki and I have ever cooked together before, so this was a new experience. I was a total shirataki noodle fan, and like having her input on the kelp noodles and all that, she has totally made me a convert for that dish. And being as that's my favorite dish in the city right now, oh, I'm recommending this to everybody. I mean, Anybody who wants to spend time with an amazing human being making great tasting food in a fun way, yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend, would do again.